My name's Kade. I work for SOHO Living as a new home sales consultant at our Kinsford project in Deanside, and been working in the construction and building industry for 7 years. There are a lot of positive advantages to building your own home rather than purchasing a new one. You have access to the first home buyers grant, which can be anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. Clients have access to the block that they like, the location, orientation, home design choice. There's just a lot more choice and options available. A lot of our customers are first home buyers, and it can be a really nerve-wracking and daunting process for them, not knowing where to start and even how to purchase a home and land package. As a breakdown, we generally have a look at finance first, so we can understand the client's budget, what they qualify for, and making sure that we're going to be able to find something suitable within their budget. Once we've kind of worked out their finance, then we can find the ideal block of land for them, whether it's in our own development in Kinsford or another development, and then looking at the ideal floor plan that suits their needs. Once we've kind of established their budget, the location they're after in the home, then we can look at colour selection and then go to contract stage, and then during to construction. A lot of purchasers want to live in Kinsford for 4 or 5 main reasons. It's really close to a lot of amenities in Caroline Springs, which is literally 4 kilometres down the road. There's transport, there's 2 train stations close by. It's a really affordable home and land option, and also really affordable townhome option. When a client inquires, they'll deal with myself directly, and that will kind of move forward through to choosing the right home, the right location, the lot type, and then when it goes to contracts, once again, it's one point of contact. So we don't just want to provide customers with a really good experience and modern designs and an affordable price tag. It's really important as well for us to provide a valuable home and